Lucy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new collection. It's called A Christmas Dream, and I just want to show you how stunningly gorgeous this is. It's not a traditional Christmas collection. It is beautiful pink tones. This is the collection pack. We actually have so much releasing in October, so this will take a minute to get through. We have got brand new cardstock colors. We've got all of this fun stuff over here. So let's just start with the collection pack and each of the beautiful pieces of paper, and then I'll take you through all the other things. So this is the first one. It's called Happiness, and there is a hidden gnome on every single one of these sheets of paper. This one is obvious, is here. I won't show you where the rest are so you can find them for yourself. This one is Joyful, Sparkle, Gifting. Now Gifting and the next one, which is Surprises, actually joined together like this to make a beautiful double page layout. So that was the back of Gifting. And Surprises has got this wood grain because you might want to make some more beautiful tiny houses. I'll show you them in a minute too. This Christmas. Wonderment. And that's the back. This has got a whole bunch of beautiful fussy cutting elements and all your cute little gnomes. Anticipation, dot on the back, and Excitement, which is perfect for Christmas card fronts, and the candy stripe on the back. Second set of collection pack releasing this month. This one is called Urban Brickwork, and we had our Nature's Forest release a couple of months ago, which was all your wood grains, which is an evergreen product, which means we're going to have it always. And guess what we've got now? Urban Brickwork, which is all these brickwork. So in here, there's 2 sheets of your cardstock. On the front is a small format brick, and on the back, large format. So that one was called Urban. This one is Aged Brick. It's the white one. We've got some black. This one is Distressed Mortar. Big format on the back. This one is Rustic Brickwork. Again, big on the back. This one is Weathered Whitewash. This one's my favorite, I think. Small on the front, big on the back. This is perfect for all your models and things as well. Lucky last is Industrial Chic. Another dark one, and that one is the back. So that is also available. Cut apart sheets, because we know how much you guys love gnomes. We've got some pink gnomes, and we've got some red gnomes. This is our regular cut apart sheet, and you can make the cutest little tags out of this, and I forgot to bring them to show you, but I have plenty of other things. And of course, we've just got the Christmas Dream mini cut apart sheet for making all your cards. Okay, let's have a look at some of the cute things coming with this kit. Releasing with this collection, I should say. We'll look at those in a minute. We have got these. These are paper flowers. Let me just take one out and show you. Cute little holly, and they feel divine to touch. So they are made out of paper, and they're just gorgeous. And you get 15 of them in this bag. So heaps of them in there. And of course you can cut them up and do different things with them as well. We have got our creative cuts, and as you can tell on the top, there's 2s in here, so you don't ever have to worry about using your favorite one now. These are the dies. I'm going to tell you about these in a second. First of all, let's talk about the collection pack, mini collection pack, and look on the back. We've now got this where you can see all the beautiful papers, and as it said right here, designed and printed in Australia. All of our papers are printed right here in Australia. A new product this month, these are our Christmas Dream puppy stickers, and you've got all these titles, which are great for cards and your layouts. 2 new sets of rub-ons, which are great. So you've got these beautiful doors, and you've got all of these gorgeous ones here, and this is perfect for layering, and you can create your own layers. So you might put this one down, you might layer some of these coming out of there, and if you've got our bone folders, there's 2 in a packet. This one here is perfect for doing all of your large format rub-on. So I like to call this my rub-on one. Of course there is the stick in there, but you can see how wide this is. It is so good for rubbing on in your rub-ons. I have made some of these here. These are from our Bonbon die, which we released last year. And I just wanted to show you how cute the Christmas Dream looks with our bonbon. So this is just a reminder, don't forget about our cute bonbon die. And this is it in the foil cardstock. But this year, we are releasing rosettes. So we have got 3 rosettes and they've got sticky notes. Let me just tell you, if you are a subscriber, if you subscribe to 1, you are going to get this one here, which is our medium rosette die. And this one here makes up this size and this size. So decent sized rosettes, and this one here is my favorite. It's just beautiful. This one, you cut 2 of these. If you subscribe to just 2 dies, you get this one here, which is our small rosettes, which are this one, and this one here. So these sizes, and look on the packaging now, there's little pictures. And this one here is not an add-on. You can add it on, but if you're a subscriber, you'll have to add this on. This is our large rosette, and that is this size here, which is a big one. And this will actually fit on the front of a 6x6 card. But how cute does that look, all decorated up? Or of course, I've got it hanging here. You can hang that on your tree, decorate beautiful gifts, teachers' gifts, make them gorgeous little rosettes. So these are our new dies this year, which is small, medium and large rosettes. Don't forget your storage pockets, your tall storage pocket. What I did was I cut around my packaging here, and I just cut that out, and I used some double-sided tape to put that on the front of my storage pocket as well. Also, when you're making a rosette, we have these here. These are called craft clamps. These are releasing this month, and they look like this. When you are making these, so this one here, I said you needed 2. No, not that one. Yeah, this one. There is a join in here. Look, I've done it so well that I can't even find the join. So when you're joining 2 of these together, you get your little craft clamp and you clamp them closed. So when your glue's drying, you just put your little clamp on there, that closes it, and away you go. And then voila, you have got your gorgeous rosette. Same with this one here. This one here, I had to cut 2 of them. I've done such a good job on my joins, I could never find them. Here you go, there's my join there. You just click it on there like that, and that will help you dry. So you can buy the craft clamps. And lucky last product with the kit, this is our new little stencil, and this one is called Dash, like Dash Away Dancer. So this is very cute for Christmas as well. Okay, we have got, I just want to show you before we move on, my tiny houses. I made these tiny houses with the Christmas dream papers. Aren't they adorable? So again, you can make all of these. I have used just the papers and the 4 tiny house sets, and of course I've used this die, and I've used the trinket mix. We have got these all back in ready for you this year to make your set of tiny houses again in all your Christmas crafting. I'll just show you the detail on these. So these little bits here are off that die. So the window and the little bits there. And you can see how cute they are when you look at the tops, where I've fussy cut out little sections. And this is the new tiny brickwork, the urban brickwork as well. So more of the urban brickwork there. Okay, next, I told you we had a lot. We have got 3 new acrylic stamps coming your way for October. This one's my favorite. This one is called Happy Everything. And as you can see, you stamp happy, and then you've got anniversary, Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, housewarming, bridal shower, retirement, graduation, baby shower, and engagement. All the happies I could think of, and you layer them up. So you'll stamp that one, and then you'll layer that one underneath it. This one's Christmas Essentials, and you can use these sentiments for inside your cards as well as the outside. And this one is Cheers and Wishes, and this one is all birthday ones. And don't forget, we've already released this die. All of these work with this die, so we know that they're gonna fit on there layered up. We know that these are gonna fit, like anniversary is gonna fit in there, Father's Day is gonna fit in there, Mother's Day is gonna fit in there. So one die for all 3 stamps. Okay, as I said before, we have got brand new cardstock colors releasing. We've got 8 colors. These are limited edition. We can't actually get these ones again, but they're gonna last a while, so don't stress too much. But new colors. This one here is forest, so like a nice darker green. This one here is lime. Love this one, it's avocado. 2 new reds. We've got a ruby red, and we've got cherry wood red. So they're very different. This one's really bright. This one's more Christmassy. We've got this one here called Flamingo, Coral, which is beautiful, and Vanilla Latte. And to show you very quickly, these are the ones coming in the Christmas Dream cardstock bundle. We've got Vanilla Latte, 2 of those. We've got 2 of the Cherry Wood, 2 Peony, 2 of our Wisteria, and 2 of the Forest. So that is everything. However, now I'm going to show you some of the beautiful projects we have created with this collection. So I've made this accordion album with a Christmas Dream. Now this is for, I have to take this collection on a little journey with me. And I'll just fold it out and show you. I have photographed this, so I will make sure that I get this all up on the blog before I leave so you can see how I've made this if you want to make one. You can make this as like a little December album if you want to as well. Really cute. This one here has got a little pocket in here. And Lucky Last. So that is the cute little album made with Christmas Dream. Let me show you some gorgeous cards that Lucy Patrick and Jen Shoppy, who are sisters, have made using this collection. These are these dies, like the rosette dies. Not only using them as rosettes, but how gorgeous are these? They're so beautiful. Again, the rosette dies. The girls have done such an amazing job. Here's some of the rosettes made up. I love the color. Like, that does not need to be a Christmas card. It's amazing. How beautiful is this card? These are just gorgeous special cards, and the girls have done such a great job. So these are for the creative kit. These are not the card making kit. I'll show you that in a minute. Some gorgeous layouts by Kylie Kingham. The cute little dog, I love it. How's the rosettes on this one? How stunning do the stacked rosettes look there? Just beautiful. And then again, a not Christmas one with this collection. So this is just every day of the week, but how beautiful is it? This is that beautiful large format rub-on on the back. Just love it. And with the stencil. So absolutely beautiful. Really love it. Okay, card makers, this is your card making kit for October. It's called A Christmas Dream. I've got the cards here. Let's take a look at what you're going to get in the kit for this collection. So, of course, you're going to get your handout here. Lucy Patrick has made these cards this month. It's normally me, and they are beautiful. And I know you love Lucy's cards because she makes the most amazing videos for us. You get some square cards and envelopes, some gold rhinestones, your creative cuts, cute little cutouts that you can use, and of course the collection pack with the ribbon. And then we've got the cards here. So really pretty. I love the little gnomes. And look at that, isn't that pretty with the rhinestones? Lucy's done an amazing job. Look, she's opened up the little doors too, and look behind there. So cute. Fabulous cards. So that's the card making kit for A Christmas Dream. If you're waiting to get the creative kit, let me show you all the beautiful things in the creative kit. Okay, in your kit, you're going to get some of the new flowers, which is the holly, the creative cuts, some of these sweet little lace flowers, our brand new 1mm foam dots. You're going to love these. The new mark making stencil, a packet of our rub-ons. You are going to get some of these gorgeous little stickers, the cut-apart sheet, and the collection pack. Now, if you're a subscriber and you would like the other rub-ons, these door ones, you will need to add these on. And the other thing you'll need to add on if you subscribe to everything is that other large format die. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this Christmas Dream as much as I do. I hope your October is amazing, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.